Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Unong yalam ke BJP George Korean ubadiru Myntri Khynnah ke Sorkar NDA 3.0 Narendra Modi ula jenang ban Jubab namar Myntri rang ba adu kari Narendra Modi uklempat Leit Manipur wat Haba ke jingakan at bat snam kadang beteng hadu kini kisi. Korean ula syam jing ban Jubab haba kinong thok khobor ki bu jing Kylli Halor ke jing syakta ke BJP ha ke election Lok Sabha ha kathan shatai lamingi bat ke jing jah Manipur. Korean ubalawan syashilong ke Myntri Sorkar ula lejru syashilam trekam ke BJP hak baladan lang Myntri ke Sorkar jela uba AL Hek uba pet ya katanat rimrat nalor UMLA ke BJP uba Sanbor Shulai Presiden ke BJP Rikman Momen bat kiwe kinong yalam. Korean ula ong ba umodi ula dep batai ha parlimen hak bede ba ke jingjah Manipur bat mau kwa syu ban ong AA. Haba kinong thok khubor kila beteng ban bu jeng Kylli ke ekadaw ba umodi Treh ban Leit Manipur uni unong yalam ke BJP Jubab syu bat ula ong penban ni kinong thok khubor ban beteng syu ban bu jeng Kylli.
When will Prime Minister Modi visit Manipur?
See, in the parliament, Prime Minister answered the question and about this issue. I don't want to say anything more than that.
Well,
But don't you think as a Prime Minister he should have visited Manipur?
You can think.
Don't you think he has
You
been?
think no problem, sir. You ask no problem. You can think.
No, I'm
This,
asking you.
You can think. I am telling. I told my answer. It is full stop.
Are you visiting Manipur?
That I will say. One day I will say.
Not one day.
Now,
Upcoming day.
your order is there.
Not order.
Yes. Obey the order. Obey the order.
Not order. We are people, sir. We are people.
Yeah, people. Yes, that is why I am telling. I obey the order.
So what is the reason, sir, that Prime Minister Modi is not visiting Manipur?
I told the answer.
No.
We did not get any answer.
You did not make any answer.
I told that the Prime Minister explained it in the Parliament. I don't want to say anything more than that. You ask again.
The question is-
Please ask again.
Why is not?
I am having 5 minutes. I am having 5 minutes. You ask. I will
What
sit
is
here.
the reason?
Yes, ask.
Yeah, what is the reason?
Yes, ask.
Why is
This
not
is your.
Why,
Yes, ask.
why is he not?
Yes, ask. You are having the freedom to ask. The press is having the freedom to ask. Then I am giving time. 5 minutes you ask. I told the answer. Then you have the freedom. You
well,
ask.
sir, well,